The planet is getting greener, and that's a good thing. A world in bloom. Vegetation is expanding in many parts of the world, from the tropical rainforests of the Amazon to the boreal forests of Siberia. This phenomenon, known as global greening, is a complex interplay of natural and human factors, including climate change, carbon dioxide fertilization, reforestation efforts, and improved agricultural practices. While the drivers of this greening are multifaceted and sometimes controversial, the overall effect has undeniable positive implications for the planet and its inhabitants. Carbon dioxide fertilization. One of the primary drivers of global greening is the increased concentration of carbon dioxide, CO2, in the atmosphere. Plants use CO2 for photosynthesis, the process by which they convert light energy into chemical energy, producing oxygen as a byproduct. Higher levels of CO2 can enhance photosynthesis, leading to increased plant growth. This phenomenon, known as CO2 fertilization, has been observed across various ecosystems, from arid deserts to lush rainforests. Research indicates that CO2 fertilization has contributed significantly to the global increase in leaf area, with some estimates suggesting that it accounts for about 70% of the observed greening. This boost in vegetation growth can help mitigate some of the adverse effects of climate change by sequestering more carbon in plant biomass and soils. Climate change and warming temperatures. Climate change, while often associated with negative impacts, has also played a role in the greening of certain regions. Warmer temperatures and longer growing seasons can promote plant growth in areas previously limited by cold weather. Human efforts to restore and expand forests have also contributed to the greening of the planet. These efforts not only absorb CO2 but also provide habitat for wildlife, improve air and water quality, and enhance soil health. Agricultural practices. Advancements in agricultural practices have played a crucial role in increasing vegetation cover. Improved crop varieties, better irrigation techniques, and sustainable land management practices have led to higher crop yields and more efficient use of land. Additionally, agroforestry, the integration of trees and shrubs into agricultural landscapes, has gained popularity, offering benefits such as increased biodiversity, improved soil health, and enhanced carbon sequestration. Benefits of a greener planet. Carbon sequestration. One of the most significant benefits of a greening planet is its potential to sequester carbon. Plants absorb CO2 during photosynthesis, storing carbon in their tissues and in the soil. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. Increased vegetation can act as a carbon sink, offsetting some of the emissions from fossil fuels and deforestation. Biodiversity and ecosystem services. A greener planet supports greater biodiversity by providing habitat and resources for a wide range of species. Forests, wetlands, and grasslands are home to countless plant and animal species, many of which are essential for maintaining ecosystem health and resilience. Biodiverse ecosystems offer numerous services, including pollination, pest control, water purification, and nutrient cycling, all of which are vital for human well-being and the functioning of the biosphere. Improved soil health. Vegetation plays a critical role in maintaining soil health. Plant roots help to stabilize soil, preventing erosion and promoting the formation of organic matter. This organic matter, in turn, enhances soil fertility and water retention, making it more productive for agriculture and more resilient to extreme weather events. Healthy soils are also better able to sequester carbon, further contributing to climate mitigation efforts. Enhanced water cycles. Increased vegetation cover can improve the water cycle by enhancing soil moisture retention and reducing runoff. Trees and plants absorb and store water, releasing it slowly through transpiration and maintaining more stable water supplies in rivers and aquifers. This process can help to reduce the severity of floods and droughts, supporting water security for communities and ecosystems. Challenges and considerations. While the greening of the planet offers numerous benefits, it is essential to recognize that this trend is not without its challenges and complexities. Some regions may experience shifts in vegetation that disrupt existing ecosystems and livelihoods. For example, the expansion of invasive plant species can outcompete native vegetation, leading to biodiversity loss. Additionally, while CO2 fertilization promotes plant growth, it may also alter nutrient balances in ecosystems, affecting plant health and food quality. Moreover, the benefits of global greening are unevenly distributed. Regions that are already rich in vegetation may see further gains, while arid and semi-arid regions may continue to face challenges due to water scarcity and land degradation. Addressing these disparities requires a nuanced approach that considers local ecological, social, and economic contexts. The greening of the planet is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that offers hope in the face of environmental challenges. By enhancing carbon sequestration, supporting biodiversity, improving soil health, and stabilizing water cycles, increased vegetation cover can help to mitigate some of the impacts of climate change and support sustainable development. However, it is crucial to approach this trend with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the opportunities and challenges it presents. As we continue to navigate the uncertainties of a changing climate, fostering a greener planet through reforestation, sustainable agriculture, and conservation efforts will be vital for ensuring a resilient and thriving Earth for future generations. Embracing the positive aspects of global greening, while addressing its complexities, can guide us toward a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with our natural world.